Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews of Moose. I got my last package in today that I probably won't be ordering any more of these in a while. They were some of those super special, spectacular deals from Kangol for less than $15 a cap. And so I got the last one here, and it isn't, it's a little bit different. As you know me, I'm a little bit of a different guy. But hopefully you guys will like it. I think it looks better than the last time I did a review on Kangol with the little blue flower looking one. Can't remember the name of it. But hopefully it's better than that. I think it's going to be. It's going to be another 504. And it's going to be called the Arts and Crafts Tan Multicolor. And it kind of reminds me of like mosaic art of like the kind of like the Aztec type things. If you ever been to like Arizona or some of those Aztec areas where they have like the dwellings, kind of reminds me of that. Some of the art you'll see, but yeah, that's what it reminds me of. And this is it here. Again, this is definitely something that's going to stick out. And it has that same terry cloth type feel as that blue one I did a review of. It looks like it kind of looks like one of those towels you dry your car off with, microfiber towel, whatever they're called. And it's made by Kangol. It's a size large. Great Britain again. Let's see what this one says. See if this one says something about New York. Raised on the streets in New York. There it is. We're going to be a New Yorker today. Let's see if I get my Anox sound alike on here. Let's see here. And this style has been created with use of recycled materials. Really? This style has been created and used of recycled material on both sides of the tag. That must be something special. It actually says it on both sides of the tag here that this is a recycled material cap. I'm already feeling green already. The Green New Deal. Yeah, let's go ahead and get on here. We got the Kangol, born British, established in 1938. 1938. What are we, 2016? 2026? So that would have been 2038. That would have been 62 years plus, what are we in, 26? So it would have been 88 years old. 88 years ago. Not bad. And yeah, I'm pretty good at math, just so you guys know. I'm really good at math. I get numbers, or like, when I get numbers going, like I did that math there, I was like 62 years plus 26, and it ended up being 88. And you know, the thing is with that is that I'm like Rain Man. I really am. Like if you drop a thing of Q-tips or whatever it is, I'll be 182, because that's how fast I am. No, I'm seriously though. I'm not Rain Man, but I am pretty good at math. And but yeah, large. This is it here. And let's try this bad boy. First, we're gonna show a close up, of course. Then we're gonna try it on. And how you guys like my little skull here? It's pretty nice, eh? Oh, well, I can't see anything right now, but yeah, it kind of kept my ears warm today outside. Got a little cold front coming through here in Wichita. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Got this on Amazon for like $7. All right, let's go ahead and show you a close-up. And there she blows. This is the Kangol Arts and Crafts 504. And you can see it. I mean, that's what it reminds me of, like Aztec dwellings type thing, where they got all the thing. Look at the little Kangol logo. Like the little Kangol logo. That's nice. But yeah, all right, I can definitely rock this. It either reminds me of that, or if you're old enough to remember like the 70s linoleum that was in the kitchen or in the bathrooms, it also looks like that. It just needs to be a little bit more brown. And I'm pretty sure I'll get some smiles on that, because you'll exactly know what I mean. The old linoleum floors. Yeah. All right, so let's go ahead and try it on now. All right, so we're going back. And let me go and take off my my ganking outfit here, as Easy would say, and try this bad boy on. There it is. There it is. I like this one. Yep. I like this one a lot. I like it a lot. Kmart, Cincinnati. Got to watch Wapner. Yep, good old Rain Man. Great movie. Great movie, by the way. Wapner. It's Kmart, Cincinnati. You had to get a certain kind of boxer or briefs. Dustin Hoffman did a great job in that movie. Tom Cruise did a great job in that movie. One of my favorites of all time. And yeah, so I'll quote that every once in a while. Wapner, Kmart, Cincinnati. I'll say that quite a bit. People don't know what the hell that means anymore. These kids nowadays, yeah, well, it's frustrating. Just frustrating. But yeah, this is it here. This is the Arts and Crafts Kangol 504. Let's go ahead and put it on backwards. And I'm getting sidetracked again. I'm pretty good at doing that. And but we're gonna wear it this way. So the Kangol Arts and Crafts 504. Overall grade, I love the feel of this. I like the terry cloth. I'm gonna give those 10 out of 10s. And the way it looks, I got the Aztec. I got the linoleum floors. I'm gonna give it a 6 out of 10 on looks. So overall, at a grade of 5, I'm gonna give this one about a 3.6. Yeah, 3.6 will do. Out of 5. Let me know what you guys think of this Kangol. I got to shave. Man, I got to shave. I'm looking bad. My head's scruffy. This thing's getting a little too long. Yeah, well, anyway, I got to definitely shave. I'll shave tomorrow. Yeah, what the heck. All right, Reviews of Moose here. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see everybody next time.